Take a closer look. What seems like nothing more than a rough, heavy log is about to become a stunning work of art in the hands of a master craftsman. This talented young woodworker has earned a reputation for his exceptional carpentry skills. Through years of dedication and precision, he creates beautiful wooden pieces that are both durable and elegant. His work is admired by neighbors and customers alike, and people travel from near and far to request his handcrafted creations. Despite his growing popularity, he keeps his prices fair, relying on honest craftsmanship to support his family. The transformation begins as the log is mounted onto a powerful lathe. As the blade spins at high speed, wood shavings fly through the air like snow, creating a strangely satisfying scene. Slowly, the rough, square block is reshaped into a perfectly smooth cylinder, revealing the wood's rich golden color and beautiful natural grain. Next comes the most delicate stage. Using specialized turning tools, the craftsman carefully controls every cut, carving elegant grooves, smooth curves, and fine details into the spinning wood. With every precise movement, the simple block gradually transforms into a beautifully balanced, decorative column. Once the shaping is complete, he carefully sands every surface while the piece continues to rotate. When the lathe finally stops, the wood shines with a mirror-like finish, highlighting its natural beauty and flawless craftsmanship. But the project isn't finished yet. He selects another piece of rich, reddish wood and carefully cuts it into a curved base using an electric saw. Then, with a high-speed grinder, he smooths every edge until the surface becomes perfectly polished and silky to the touch. Finally, he joins the beautifully crafted column to its elegant curved base. The result is a stunning, handcrafted wooden masterpiece that perfectly showcases his remarkable skill, patience, and attention to detail. What do you think of the final result? If 10 is a perfect score, how would you rate this incredible craftsmanship? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed watching this amazing woodworking transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next incredible creation.